Sir, good morning, good afternoon, all of you. Yeah, I am Mohan from representing the Insurance Institute of India. I am a faculty in life insurance. And today uh, we have been along with us, our Secretary General AAA is Satpathy sir, and FPSB CEO Mr. Krishan Mishra sir. They are both are there, dignitaries are there. And I welcome all the FPSB members. Matlab, they are the FPSB certificate holders to this webinar. And I introduce two dignitaries here. One is our Satpathy sir, who is Secretary General. And please, 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Screen. 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 Are you able to see the profile of Satpathy sir?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir. So I am proud to introduce our Secretary General Shri S.N. Satpathy sir. S.N. Satpathy sir is currently the Secretary General of Insurance Institute of India. And prior to this assignment, he was holding the post of Additional Director of LIC Management Development Center, Mumbai, the Apex Training Center for middle to senior level executives of Life Insurance Corporation of India. He is a executive director, presently holding the designation of executive director of Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is the senior most position in the organization. And he joined as a director recruit officer in LIC of India in the year 1989. During his more than 3 decades of experience in the life insurance industry, he had performed in multiple positions in branches, divisions, zones, and central office, covering different areas of operation and marketing. He has major experience in conventional marketing of life insurance, marketing through alternative channels of distribution, which includes bank assurance and direct marketing. He had effectively performed as National Relationship Manager to promote the bank assurance channel business. He was also in charge of pension and group business operations in Mumbai. He is a postgraduate in agricultural science and also a fellow of Insurance Institute of India in a specialized diploma in health insurance. And I welcome our Secretary General, sir, to this meeting.
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon to all the CPs and Mr. Mishra and all the dear friends, members of FPSB.
Right. So now I introduce our CEO of FPSB, Sri Krishan Mishra, sir. I think you may people who are in FPSB, who are the members of FPSB, may be knowing very well. But once again, I am introducing Krishan Mishra. He is the CEO of FPSB India, and he is responsible for strategy, operations, and overall market development in India. He has got 20 plus years of versatile experience in strategizing business and operations at large in financial services and professional education space. He is a known leader in the education world and has also been awarded as one of the top 100 global leaders in the field of education by Global Forum of Education and Learning, PRISM, USA. Over last 2 decades, he has headed the market development of various top global professional education qualifications in India and various parts of the world. He has been very instrumental in helping them have strong foundation in India and related growth of markets. He grew up in a defense service family and has attended several schools across India before completing his MBA in International Business Studies from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade and PGDBM from Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, Ahmedabad. He is also a chartered manager from Chartered Management Institute, UK. And I welcome Kishan Mishra sir to this August house for today's deliberations. And sir, I request Kishan Mishra sir to throw some light upon the collaboration between AAA and FPSB, and what is in his mind in this collaboration and how he wanted this to go forward.
Oh, thank you so much, Krishna Mohanji and Mr. Satpathy for joining us for today's session. I welcome all the CFP professionals who are sitting today to know more about what III does and why we collaborated with III for our relationship. Now, Insurance Institute of India, which was established in the year 1955, and since then it's working. I think, Satpathy sir, you worked for LIC in the past, and LIC was established in the year 1956. So, Insurance Institute of India came into effect in 1955. So, you have a legacy which is more than LIC also right now. So, what we saw is that there is a very good relationship between what we do and what the Insurance Institute of India does. Their focus is on creating insurance professionals who can work and help people at large around the country through various certifications, which is at the level of licentiate, associate, and fellow members. And then they are also focusing on building capacities across in terms of developing the insurance capabilities. Now, insurance as an area has always been considered as a very, very technical area, wherein if you have got some knowledge, right, and half-baked knowledge, people say is very harmful. So a lot of people had some knowledge, but they were not very clear about how these things happen. Now, if you look at life insurance in itself is a very large and vast subject. You have got health insurance. And if you look at the non-life segment, and I think anything under the sky can be insured under the non-life area, right? So you can insure your somebody's voice. I think Amitabh Bachchan has already insured his voice, right? People have insured their legs, they have insured their fingers and whatnot. So there are so many things which are available depending on the kind of profession and the activities you do. And then accordingly, you can look forward to such products. The list is so large. And when it comes to the financial products, if you have a better knowledge as CFP professionals, we felt that for the CFP professionals, it is going to be really helpful to become a very strong expert in the field of insurance also, because the objectives which insurance companies would like to fulfill or Insurance Institute of India would like to fulfill, and as FPSB, we would like to fulfill are similar. Our objective is to educate this country to understand the importance of insurance and the other financial planning related aspects for their benefits. In the similar way, they are also focused on doing the same. They also focus on a lot when it comes to continued professional development, as we do. So we saw that the objectives are similar. The mission and the goal remains similar. The ways in which the certifications are being vetted, the course is being conducted, the way in which exams are taken, and the way in which finally they are asked to practice based on the ethical norms, we carry the similar thoughts and similar kind of mission objectives. So we felt that, yes, the kind of relationship we have, we should extend it to our CFP professionals also, wherein they can look forward to becoming a stronger professional. You already have a good knowledge about these areas. Insurance and retirement planning is a subset of financial planning, already a part of this activity. But yes, if you take more knowledge, right, you will be a better professional needed for the industry. Look at insurance companies, we have got around 24 life insurance companies and 34 non-life, which includes 7 health insurance companies. And practically there are 8 more in the pipeline. In fact, now the government is looking at opening the insurance sector completely, and FDI might be 100% very soon. So the kind of opportunities this sector is going to create for people like us would be tremendous. And I can tell you that they employ a large set of people. More or less, each and every life for a general insurance company on an average employs more than 6,000 to 8,000 people. Look at the kind of people who are working for them. people like us only, the people who carry our kind of professional qualifications. And in case you have a fellow membership or an associate membership of Insurance Institute of India, you'll be the most likable candidate to get the job which is available in the insurance industry. I can tell you that insurance industry completely thrives on people. People are the lifeblood of this business. And if you take it up as a profession, as a certified financial planner professional, in addition to the knowledge that you have, you can look forward to a very strong career in times to come. And the other area is that obviously you will be able to practice also in case you're already practicing with more knowledge, expert knowledge, you'll be able to do better. So that was the basic reason behind we getting into this relationship. The other reason was to make the fellows of III to pursue the CFP certification. So it's a mutual understanding between both the organizations, and we are looking at creating wholesome professionals who can help people at large. So, Krishna Mohanji, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to talk to the CFP professionals as well as your team. And we are looking forward to a very, very strong relationship in time to come.
Thank you, Kishan Mishra ji, and you have elaborated a lot of things, what are there in your mind, etc. And now I request our Secretary General of III, Shri Satpathy sir, to give his views on the certification. You give his views on the educational activities of Insurance Institute of India and the College of Insurance, briefly.
Yeah, good afternoon, all the my dear members of CAP and Krishna Mishra sir. In fact, Krishna Mishra sir already has covered quite a large part of the importance of insurance and what the III is doing as of now. Friends, I suppose, I assume that maybe many of the CAP already been member of III, because we are having a membership size of almost 4 lakhs as of now in the last 69 years, and almost 45,000 plus are fellow members of III. I presume and assume maybe some of the CAPs already holding the fellowship degree. Friends, all of you know that insurance is a bit complex subject. I mean, there are so many lines of business within insurance itself. There's a life, in the non-life, there are so many lines of business, health insurance. And with the emerging risk coming forth, like climate risk and this environmental risk and the cyber risk, and so many new risks is emerging nowadays. So understanding the subject of insurance is a vital thing in today's financial service industry. And insurance is the fastest growing industry in the country today, because you know that Government of India has got a vision to insure all Indians by 2047. That is 100th year of India. So under this vision of country, vision of the regulator IRDAI, so all insurance industries are totally going with the full gone blazing to cover maximum population, maximum property, everything under insurance. You'll appreciate that as of now, only 83%, 83% is the protection gap. There's a so-called protection gap, means only 17% of the people are covered under the insurance as of now. 83% of the population yet to be covered. And in the general insurance front is only 9 to 10% properties or the assets are covered. So there is a gap of almost 90% protection gap. So there is a huge gap in the insurance sector so far the insurance cover is concerned, whether it's a human being or man or material. And if you look at that insurance penetration in our country, insurance penetration is nothing but the ratio of premium to the GDP, which is around 4% for the India market, Indian context, whereas in global average around 7%. So there is a huge gap so far the insurance penetration is concerned in our country. And insurance density is another metric which is being looked at, is a premium per capita, how much premium the Indian population has got per capita, which is almost 92 USD. So compared to the global standard, it's still lagging behind. So there is all efforts is on to cover more population, to increase the insurance penetration, increase the insurance density. So for that matter, naturally, if you want to see now around 70 plus insurance companies are operating in the country today, but almost there are 20 more companies in the pipeline for the license, and the regulator is considering to give more license to more company to start insurance business in the country. So the sector is growing very fast. If you look at the number of employees engaged today, is almost 5 lakhs plus employees are working across all insurance companies, life, non-life, or health. Almost 50 lakhs plus intermediaries are involved here, whether is a broker, corporate agents, insurance agents. So, and that number is still less because, as you know, that insurance sector, the financial advisor or the distributor, whatever you nomenclature use them for that is the ultimate who are going to market this product, because you understand that life insurance is such a complex product. It has never been purchased. It is always sold. It is called a push product. So people don't understand it. Even if a highly educated, qualified people, so they want some advisory level support from the intermediary. So it is CFP. Naturally, you have already gone through all those subjects of investment planning or maybe retirement and estate planning, and everything you have covered it. But then maybe a little bit of insurance part you might have covered, or some part of it covered. But insurance is a very vast subject. In III, in Insurance of India, we cover almost 80 plus subjects in the insurance subject. I mean, we give a complete textbook and a content on 80 plus subjects through this flagship program of licensed associate fellow. So whoever our member of III, they register as a member and they go through this 3 level of certification. Finally, the diploma is that fellow of Insurance Institute of India. So throughout this licensed associate and fellow, you scored a 60 credit point system concept is here. So you enroll to each paper and you get credit point, and by acquiring 490 credit point, you become the fellow of III. If you acquire 250 credit point, you become associate. And if you acquire the first level, basic level is the as licensor, which is around 60 credit point. So you cover almost, as I told you, there are some 80 odd subjects are being covered, but all the subjects are not compulsory. There are certain compulsory papers are there. You have to enroll for that. Like in licensure, you have the basic principles of life insurance or principles of general insurance is covered, and practices or practice of life and non-life is there, and also regular aspect is there. Likewise, certain compulsory subjects are there. The importance of these courses would be for you is that definitely, friends, it will add definitely extra value to your overall professionalism, your overall professional certificate which you're already holding it. When you say that I'm a CAP plus a fellow of Insurance Institute, definitely you have a notch, 2 notch above any other such professionals available in the market. In a highly competitive market, in the financial service sector, naturally everybody would like to have a pie in the cake. So for the distribution is concerned, as a consultant to an individual or to the family or a corporates or a group entity. So for that matter, naturally, as a customer, they would like to have someone with him as an advisor or consultant who has a complete entire gamut of knowledge of financial service or products available in the market, including insurance. And insurance, as you know, that it is the foundation of any financial planning. Without insurance, which protects everything first, you have to secure, protect yourself, protect your business enterprises, protect your future. So naturally, ultimately, the whole foundation of financial planning based upon the insurance. So understanding the nuances of insurance and the ABC of insurance, everything possibly definitely add value to your knowledge. You will understand it. And III is the pioneer in this spreading insurance educations and training for last almost 69 years. So, and it is highly regarded and recognized in the industry, including IRDA and Government of India. And all the companies are giving a lot of importance to this certificate courses of III, which is a part of the KPI in the companies also. They also recognize these certificate courses for considering the promotion to the higher level. They have been getting certain incentive also by passing these exams. So it is a very well recognized courses, and the institute has got a legacy of so many years. And it is not only India which has been recognized. You will be really appreciate that across the globe, many other foreign nationals or Indians who are based outside India also, they also go through these courses to understand the whole subject insurance. So definitely, we would like to extend this benefits to the CAP members who are already a professional in your own way, in your own right, but maybe expanding your knowledge, understanding the every aspect of insurance will definitely add value to you. And it's not very difficult in the sense the cost of appearing for any paper is quite reasonable. I mean, it's less than 1,000 rupees. To be a member of III, it is just only hardly 700 rupees. So cost is very, very reasonable cost, because we are a not-for-profit organization. It is basically charitable institution. So our charges and fees are quite reasonable, and we offer all these exams through a self-study method. You can refer to the textbooks, which has been very well written by the professionals. Is available in a hard format or in a soft format also, or you can also appear for an online test, which is a online test, so you need not to come physically or write exam. It is a online multiple MCQ pattern questions, so which is being conducted 4 times in a year. So you just enroll to the papers which you choose to appear, and then you pass the test. Then you by acquiring credit points 60, you become a licensed yet, and then 250 associated, I told you. So it's quite convenient and flexible way of preparing yourself and reading it. There is no question binding that you have to clear the paper with a certain time limit. You can take your own time to appear, but it's quite very so nicely the content is available. If you go through that, since already you are a CFP professional, I don't think it will be very difficult for you to become associate in maybe 1.5 years time. You become associate also. Maybe within 2 years time, you can be a fellow of III, and definitely it's another feather to your cap. So definitely we'll urge upon you and expect all of you, or maybe some of you already must be already fellow or III associate member. For others, definitely go for it. And as Mr. Saab has said, the future of insurance sector is very bright and expanding very fast. I mean, today you are 70 companies operating. Maybe another 2 years down the line, you'll find another 100 companies will be added, because that insurance penetration is so low in the country, and the way the regulator is now coming out with the new guidelines and the instructions are coming, you can find that is the fastest growing industry, maybe next to the banking. And as an insurance financial planner, you will understand that almost 25 of the household savings are coming from insurance only. So naturally, for the savings part of its concern, investment, or if you talk about the investment in the country also, the equity market or the capital market, a large chunk of money is coming from the insurance sector, which is putting the money into the all these infrastructural issues or even the equity market. So friends, as a financial planner, if you have complete understanding of the insurance, all the aspect, including not only life and non-life, in the reinsurance, because reinsurance is another going to be a major part of insurance in days to come, because as you sir was saying other day, the Gift City IFSCA has already started operating now. Many reinsurance firms also setting up their shops in the country today. So having understanding of the reinsurance part of the insurance aspect is also very going to play a key role, apart from understanding what is life, non-life, and health insurance. And all of you know that now in the general insurance space, non-life side, it is the health insurance which is the dominant line of business. After that, the motor insurance. So once you have the complete understanding of insurance, possibly you'll appreciate that that how you can suggest to your customer, your client, what sort of health insurance coverage he should have for himself or his family, for the group health cover also. So when you approach any customer, any big HNIs or any individual customer, once you have the complete understanding of this insurance business, I think your marketing or your consultancy will definitely will be much better than someone else who is not having that knowledge or the qualification. And then III's fellowship is highly regarded in the market. So it's definitely our wish and desire that all the CAP members should go for it. That is the very purpose of tying up with the CAP, and we understand CAP doing a great job by creating there's FPSB doing a great job by creating CAP in the country, and the complete financial planning is the need of the hour. Instead of having a half knowledge and knowing a little bit of something, jack of all trades not going to help. You have to be master in most all subjects. So I would expect let our CAP members also be a part of insurance professionals. That's all. Thank you, sir. So Krishna Mohan, you can carry forward. I think Krishna Mohan sir will make a small presentation about the overall activity what Insurance Institute of India is doing, so that maybe the members CAP can also understand what are the other activities we are doing that, because I just briefly shared the certain part of it, but I think Mr. Krishna Mohan can elaborate the overall activity of this thing. Then we will take the questions.
Definitely, sir. Thank you very much. And you have very much elaborately said, and you have clearly brought out certain points, like insurance is a very vast as well as a complex And more often than not, the non-life insurance itself is a very big ocean. And so let me quickly walk through the presentation where I focus on the what are the activities and what are the examinations. Let me go through the walk through the presentation. You are able to see the slides? Hello? Hello, hello?
Hello,
No,
right now we
right
cannot
now, sir,
see.
it is not visible, sir.
One minute. Now it is visible?
No,
Now?
yes, we can see, but take it to the presentation mode, sir.
I will do that. See, sir, this is as you both, Kishan Mishra sir also told that this institute has opened in the year 1955. It is Federation of Insurance Institutes. The genesis is in 1955, 1 year prior to Life Insurance Corporation of India. And the main objective of III is to impart systematic and high quality education and training in insurance domain. And the Insurance Institute of India creates professionals for the insurance industry by providing technical education and training in various core areas of insurance and specialized areas like insurance regulation, fraud investigation, marketing, bank assurance surveys, etc. III is recognized by the University of Mumbai as a research center for the enrolling students of PhD in business management under the Faculty of Commerce. And it's formally aligned with IIII is not only just it's affiliated here in India, working in India, and it is affiliated to so many other international agencies and associations and organizations. United Nations Environment, one of the list of the agencies which are associated and affiliated with the IIII are United Nations Environment Program, Finance Initiative, UNEP, and FI, International Association of Insurance Supervisors, IAIS, Institute of Global Insurance Education, IGIE, International Insurance Society, IIS, International Cooperative and Mutual Insurance Federation, ICMIF, Insurance Development Forum, IDF. IIII certifications are recognized by international bodies. It's the certifications and the professional diplomas are recognized across the globe. Chartered Insurance Institute of India, Institute of UK, it's in London, CIA, and American Institute for Chartered Property Casualty Underwriters, AICPCU, Insurance Institute of Canada, Association for Cooperative Operations Research, Cooperative Operations Research and Development, ACORD, Accord. The vision: to be a professional institution of global repute dedicated to education, training, and research in insurance and allied services, thereby developing skills and competency for all the associates and the industry in India and abroad. This is the vision. Mission statement is that to conduct professional certification programs of insurance programs of insurance of international standard in the areas of insurance and management and related subjects by offering high quality content and conducting examinations. To offer professional training through various pedagogy for the entire insurance ecosystem. To disseminate knowledge through seminars, conferences, webinars, journals, and examination. See, then the examination cycle. the examination cycle, as Sir has said, because I am walking through a little quickly because paucity of time. The examination cycle, as Sir has said, that it is examination frequency is once in a quarter, and that will be in the month of March, June, September, and December. All the examinations are online, and examination centers are there in India and overseas also. See, the examinations, basically the professional qualification examinations are of three types. Licentiate is the first stepping stone for this diploma courses, and then followed by associate, and then followed by fellowship. And all the three diplomas are in life and non-life. Licentiate is it comprises of 60 credit points. Whoever gets the 60 credit points, he will be awarded the licentiate certification. And in all the three, licentiate, associate, and fellow, there are some compulsory papers, and there are some selective papers which they can choose from the rest of the papers. So I am talking about the compulsory papers first. In licentiate, I already told that there are two streams. One is life, the other one is non-life. The first compulsory subject is principles of insurance. It is common for both life and non-life. And then IC02, which is a practice of life insurance. This is a specialized paper for life insurance. People who wanted to have knowledge of life insurance, they will take this paper. Or if any person wanted to take non-life as his core topic, then he will go for the practice of general insurance. So in the licentiate examination, the first one paper is compulsory for both streams, and the other paper, practice of life insurance, is compulsory for life insurance stream, and practice of general insurance is compulsory for general insurance stream. Apart from these two papers, there will be one more paper they can choose from the variety of subjects. So he has to get 60 credit points, then he will be awarded licentiate. And once he gets these 60 credit points, then he becomes a licentiate, then he can go for associate. Associate, he has to get 190 more points. That means 60 from licentiate and 190 from this associate, total 250. By the time he gets 250, then he will be awarded the associate ship diploma from Insurance Institute of India. Here also there are compulsory subjects. Here also the compulsory subjects are in a life and a non-life stream. It is in life, it is life insurance underwriting is a compulsory subject. And for non-life, it's general insurance underwriting is a compulsory subject. And the second compulsory subject is life insurance finance. And this is for life. And general insurance accounts and regulations, it is a compulsory subject for non-life. So there are two subjects compulsory, either for life or non-life for associate, and the remaining he can choose from the lot of other subjects. The subjects list also will be there in the next coming slides. So I think you people might have understood this structure, and any questions will be there. We will answer in the question answer session. So fellowship total 490 credit points. That means by associate, you will be having 250. And in addition, 250 and then 240 490 credit points will be there. Candidate need to select any one from the following papers. This is one compulsory paper will be there out of this, and according to the streams like life and non-life, they have to choose this one paper from out of this. These papers are Foundation of Actuarial Sciences, Foundation of Casualty Actuarial Science, Mathematical Basis of Life Insurance, Life Assurance, and Foundation of Casualty Actuarial Science 2, Actuarial Aspects of Product Development, Finance and Economics for Actuarials, and Finance and Investment, Actuarial Aspects of Risk Management. So the life people will be generally they will select foundation of actuarial sciences or mathematical basis of life assurance or actuarial aspects of product development, finance and economics. Similarly, non-life people also can choose one of the papers like Foundation of Casualty Actuarial Science, Foundation of Casualty Actuarial Science 2, actuarial aspects of product development. So that's how this structure will be going. And you can see the remaining papers. The remaining papers you can take for licentiate, associate, and fellowship. They are all elective subjects. You can choose, and each paper had its credit points. Excuse me. So according to that, according to your interest and your purpose, you can choose these subjects, and you can pass and get the diplomas. Apart from that, we are conducting specialized diploma courses, and this they are all under marine, fire insurance, health insurance, life insurance underwriting. And these papers are like IC, these are called IC 60, IC 66, and IC 70. Candidate passed in licentiate in non-life branch is eligible for these papers. Similarly, fire insurance, IC 56, IC 50. These are IC means integrated curriculum. IC means integrated curriculum. Why it is called integrated curriculum is this subjects are this IT 56, 57 like that. They are from a licentiate level to fellowship level. They are integrated subject one after one. The subjects will be structured like that. So candidate passed in licentiate in non-life branch is eligible to take these papers. Health insurance, IC 35, IC 36, IC 37. Candidate passed in licentiate in non-life branch is eligible to take this. And basic IC life insurance underwriting may do have, one is basic and the other one is advanced certification. So courses offered in collaboration. Not only we are conducting examinations, we are conducting examinations and certificate courses and diplomas in association with other institutes. Certificate by diploma and advanced diploma, Foundation of Casualty Actuarial Science. Courses in collaboration with the certificate course in compliance, governance, and risk management with Institute of Company Secretaries of India. This certificate course is very popular, and many people from across all insurance companies and all non-life, life, and health insurance people are going for this. See, this is in collaboration with the Institute of Company Secretaries. And again, we are conducting a certified insurance anti-fraud professional CIAFP with the North American training group. This is an international group. We are conducting this certificate course with collaborating with this international group. Similarly, life insurance underwriting with Association of Insurance Underwriters. Then courses with Mumbai University. We are running courses with Mumbai University, 2 diploma courses and 1 PhD. Also is with Mumbai University, our collaboration is there. Postgraduate diploma in health insurance, this is called PGDHI. And postgraduate diploma in insurance marketing, PGDIM. And a PhD in business management. We are also a recognized research center for Mumbai University Faculty of Management Studies. So we have College of Insurance, which is a training wing of the Insurance Institute of India. Insurance Institute of India basically conducts diplomas and professional examinations and regulatory examinations. And when it comes to the training part, it is having a wing called College of Insurance, which was formed in the year 1966. The training arm of AAA provides training in all technical domains of insurance around the year. Because as we said at the earlier beginning, insurance is a vast subject and it is a very complex also. So there are many technical domain knowledge is required for the industry. And College of Insurance, the wing of AAA, is conducting all the related and required topics and subjects. We are conducting 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and online, offline programs. The college is one in Kolkata and the other one is in Mumbai, BKC. So what programs we conduct is generally the training programs we conduct are marketing, insurance accounting, life, corporate governance, bank assurance, reinsurance, enterprise risk management, and RBC, insurance, anti-fraud, health, marine, fire, engineering insurance, motor, aviation, electrical vehicles. We conduct the programs, regulations and compliance, liability, underwriting. So these are all the things we are conducting. COI has designed following certificate courses to equip necessary knowledge and develop skills on the respective domains. This is one CC1 certificate course in life insurance marketing. It is very recently it has started and the duration is 4 months and it is a self-study manner, 3 days self-study plus 3 days online contact classes. 3 days means 6 hours a day for 18 hours of online contact classes, and people can take up the examination and pass and get the certification. Similarly, we had CC2, Advanced Certificate in Health Insurance. This is also a online course, which is virtual program. Duration of the course is 4 months, 3 hours morning session on Saturday and Sunday. Mode of teaching virtual. Total hours of learning and teaching is 90 hours. And there is the third certificate course is certificate course in general insurance. Duration of the course, 3 months, full day session, 6 hours. Similar to this, it is also like this. And it's a 100 hours program. And it's also in virtual training session conducted from College of Insurance, Kolkata. The fourth certificate course is certificate course in investigation and fraud detection in life insurance. Duration of the course is 3 days, full day session, 6 hours, virtual training. And on request of certain companies and etc., we conduct physical sessions also, but presently we are conducting virtual sessions successfully. And the total hours of teaching is 15 hours. So we have a very, very big library and we have a lot of books and life insurance, non-life insurance, management, everything we have. It's a big library. Publications available are Chartered Insurance Institute, CII ka publications hai. American Institute of Chartered Property Casualty Underwriters, these publications are available. And Witherby Publishers, Lloyd's, London, Life Office Management Association, LOMA, and Life Insurance and Market Research Association, LIMRA. Publications also are available. Online lending library is there. Group corporate membership. This facility is for corporates having multiple branches across India. Under the group corporate membership, the companies are given multiple logins to use the library facility. A maximum of 20 books are issued to companies at any point of time. So we have a journal also. The journal is quarterly. Once we will publish the journal. The journal is a quarterly publication emanating from AAA, listed with UGC care list since January 2023. Our journal is a book. Journal is a reference book. It can be used for researches also, as it was UGC has recognized this journal for research topics also. Published in the months of January, April, July, and October every year in both hard and soft forms. We have soft copies also, and we can send soft copies for the subscribers, and we can send hard copies also by post. Covers wide range of issues related to insurance and allied areas. So these are the publications. And now the final thing, how AAA's associate and fellowship diplomas and certifications support anybody who studies this and who takes up these diplomas. The Insurance Institute of India AAA exams are highly regarded in the insurance sector and can significantly enhance your career prospects. Here are some key points regarding their value. Professional recognition and credibility. Passing AAA, it has a very good credibility and creditworthiness in India and across the globe. Passing AAA exam demonstrates your knowledge and commitment to the insurance industry, which can enhance your credibility with the employers and clients. And industry standard, the AAA is recognized as a leading institute for insurance education in India, making its certifications a valuable asset. Knowledge and skill development. Comprehensive curriculum. The books are written with the comprehensiveness, and the curriculum is in a very such a, it involves Bloom's taxonomy style of preparation of the curriculum and the examination questions also on that. The exams cover various aspects of insurance, including underwriting, claims management, risk management, and regulatory framework, equipping you with this essential knowledge. Practical insights. So these books are written with the case studies, and it is across the industry. The case studies are from, we have taken it, the case studies from the industry and from the companies. So they are real life case studies. And next, career advancement, job opportunities. Many employers prefer or require candidates to have AAA qualifications, particularly for roles in underwriting, claims, and risk management. Promotions. Our certifications also will help people to working in the industry to get higher responsibilities and promotions. Having AAA certifications can enhance your chances of promotion and career progression. Networking opportunities, as you know, industry connections. Being part of the AAA community allows you to connect with the professionals and experts in the field, which can be beneficial for mentorship and job opportunities. Specialization options. We have already seen how many subjects we are conducting, examinations we are conducting. See, we have a diverse examinations conducted and content developed for diverse fields. The AAA offers various courses that allow you to specialize in areas like health insurance, life insurance, and general insurance, aligning your career with your interests. And above all these things, it is helping the continued education, lifelong learning. The insurance industry is dynamic, and the AAA offers opportunities for continuous education, helping the professionals to stay updated with the latest trends and regulations. So finally, what is in it for the financial planning? Acha, aapne itna bola, you have elaborated so many things, but what is in it for me? That may be the question for any financial planner, and when he is doing a financial planning. Then this is a slide for that. How insurance supports one's financial plan. Insurance can help diversify the investment portfolio. Obvious. Insurance can add predictability and security to the financial plan. Insurance may provide tax benefits also. Of course, it is not the main objective. It is a by default tax benefit will be there. In good financial planning exercise, insurance takes into account one's goals and current financial situation and should evolve as his life changes. So this is insurance will be a part of a financial planning when we are planning for the entire life cycle of a particular individual, right from his youth, 25 years to up to the retirement and till the death, and after death also it is legacy transfer. Till such time, life insurance will be a part of a good financial planning. Insurance can help mitigating risk in any financial plan. Perhaps the most common reason to own life insurance is to reduce risk. If your family's primary income provider passes away, life insurance can help fill the resulting financial void. Debt and liability management and estate planning and legacy transfer. So these are all in every part of this thing, life insurance forms a part of it. And whenever it comes to risk management, life insurance, non-life insurance, health insurance, all the insurances become a part of the risk management. And this is a famous quote from Jacob Pujala. What he said is, your insurance policies are unique and very individual to your situation. Your estate plan, your legacy, and your wishes after you are gone must be taken into consideration while making a financial planning. So insurance policies are unique and they will serve the purpose. So thank you very much. And I think you have seen the exam. Of course, it is the examinations, the syllabus, the books, the topics are lot many topics are there. And now I open this session to question and answer. And I think Santosh Shinde will be available there. Let me check what are the questions and answers. Questions are there. Let us see. The first question is, what are the various certifications and programs under Insurance Institute of India, fees and duration of each certification? I have already told you what are the certificate programs are there and what are the papers and topics you have to cover and what are the examination, the papers, etc. And regarding the fee and duration of each certification, see, there is, I request Santosh Shinde to add his views on this.
Hello.
Yeah.
So about the fees, we are charged the nominal fees as we are non-profit making organizations. And if you see about the licentiate, to complete the licentiate is around the fees of you calculate, including your study material, material and all. It comes to around 4,500 approximate, including your study material, your paper enrollments, your registration part. Likewise, the associates, it comes around 10,000. And total it's around 15,000, not more than that.
Okay, I think your anonymous attendance, there is no name here. So I think that person might have heard and he will be understanding the things, the challenge here is that many examinations all over India, there are many people conduct examinations, but AAA, the specialty of AAA is we are charging very, very, very minimal examination fee and membership fee also. So this is not at all a burden for anybody's pocket. It will be very in the limits. Any examinations will be, the registration fee also will be very, very minimal. So next question is from Josna. Can you guide the people who interested in pursuing CFP part through this institution? Clearly elaborate. Josna ji, presently we are collaborating with FPSB and we are not a service provider, education provider. As of now, in future we may become, but as of now we are not doing it. We are giving if anybody is interested, who are the members of CFP, they are interested, then they can register with us and they can go through the certificate courses or professional examinations and they can get qualified and they can become a very seasoned insurance professional also along with the CFP. Madhur Gundecha, he is asking, will we get the copy of the PPT? Yes, we have already sent it to FPSB. FPSB can transmit to you. Anonymous attendance, any exemption for people who are practicing insurance advisors in life and non-life? There is no exemption or waiver of examinations for any of these professional examinations or certificate courses. Because you are already an advisor in life and non-life insurance, you already might have passed IC38. And if for IC38 examination, which is conducted on behalf of IRDA by AAA, there what happens is, if you are an associate or a fellow, then your training hours can be reduced. It is 50 hours can be reduced to 25 hours. And if you are going for a broker's examination, your half of the 50 hours can be reduced to 25 hours if you are an associate or fellow of this institute. But institute per se is not waiving any examinations for advisors in life and non-life.
No, even Krishna Mohanji, it is not even considered for even the employees of an insurance company who are already put in maybe 15, 20, 30 years of service. So no exemption even for the
No exemption.
any
Right.
employees. It is all paper he has to appear for that. So any
Yes, sir.
senior experienced employee of any insurance company or associates of insurance is not okay, because you have to go through the fundamental process of understanding the principles of insurance, practices of insurance, everything. Because this is a total theoretical part of it, you have to go through that to understand and appreciate the subject.
Great, sir. Great. And there is another question, Sachijit Das. It's a good question. Can you suggest as a CFP, what would be the best course that will help us in the current profile? See, the best course is that what I can suggest is the best course for any CFP if you wanted to be a professional in life insurance sphere, then he should minimum become an associate. And after association, fellowship is like a advanced study, but associate will be a pertinent diploma for any CFP who is doing a financial planning for any person. Is this associateship, I propose to do it in life and non-life with taking health insurance as a specialization in the non-life and life insurance as a specialization in life insurance stream. This will be very much of help for any CFP. Sir, Satpathy sir, I wanted your addition.
Correct. I mean, what you say is absolutely correct. See, basically, apart from the compulsory paper, you have got almost another 30 to 40 papers are there, optional subjects. So the risk management, asset management, the other certain subject, I think as a CAP, you should know that, apart from having the basic principles of insurance, which is covered in the license sheet. And then once you have little bit idea about the life insurance underwriting or the general insurance underwriting, it will definitely help you to understand the overall financial planning. And there is also one subject on group insurance, on the retirement planning and group insurance, and is a pension and group business. I think that also help you to appreciate the group business requirement of any individual, I mean any corporate clients, particularly any company, business enterprises. They are generally nowadays going for the group solutions rather than individuals planning. So I think that helps you to understand the gratuity, superannuations, and leave encashment, and the group term insurance. All those are covered there. So that is one subject. But yes, on a one-to-one basis, possibly we can able to advise you, suggest you also in a later date what are the subjects will be ideal for you when you go for those subjects.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, Madhur, again, one more question from him. Are there any benefits of registration apart from giving exams like learning resources, webinars, forums, etc.? Surely, our members can go through the online library. Also, they can have so many books they can refer. Not only that, whatever seminars we conduct in Mumbai, these members will be, it is a free, people will be, people can attend those seminars and webinars, and we conduct as well you said forums. Wherever we conduct we will send an invite to our fellow members.
Even this weekly newsletters, e-news, e-issue, that weekly newsletters and journals also are being sent across to our member of III. So we can member also, you can have all those extra benefit other than appearing for the exams.
How is certificate course in like health insurance is different from the diploma in health insurance? See, certificate course and diploma in health insurance, there is a difference. I request Santosh Shinde sir to talk about this.
Hello.
Hello.
A certification is specialization is there in health insurance diploma, and health insurance subject is there. In our specialized diploma, there are 3 subjects are there for specialized health insurance, and one is separate is a health insurance subject was there. So my suggestion that is in specialized diploma, they're concerning the you can say insurance part also, underwriting parts also, and medical terms also for the specialized diploma. So it's more in details. So that's a specialized different subject. Health insurance subject is different, and specialized health insurance diploma is different.
Okay, sir. Right. Does the use of Excel sheet or financial calculators allowed in actuarial science examinations? Sir, actuarial science examinations, yes, you will be allowed to use financial calculators. And most of the time, Excel sheets also, you need not use that because the questions are MCQs. MCQs, you are allowed to use financial calculators, normal calculators also. It's not a problem. Is there a coaching by classes available for actuarial science? Actuarial science coach, the papers, whatever papers are there in related to actuarial subjects in fellowship, the textbooks are so elaborate, and we do not conduct classes because on behalf of because we are the examining body and we are the content developers. So we never, as like FPSB, because FPSB will not conduct classes for its own certificate courses. Similarly, AAA also will not do that. There are books available in the market which you can take it, and our books itself, they are themselves are very good in content, very rich in content. Are there any exemptions for CFPs? No. How does one apply for licentiate examination? There is a procedure and everything, how to register and all those things. We will be sending those details to FPSB and they will give you, or otherwise you can go to the portal of Insurance Institute of India. There everything is clearly mentioned. When is the examination, what are the subjects and how to apply, what are the requirements for applying. Everything is there, and everything is online, and payment of fee also is online. It's a 5 minutes job to register and apply for the examination. Can we just buy books without taking certification courses? Santosh ji.
Sir, our courses are available for purchasing books also. Is only for the members. Any member who are the registered on AAA web portals can purchase our books without appearing for examinations.
Great.
But you can always advise, but Krishnamoji, when you read the books, it always suggests to appear for the test. After all, the MCQ pattern questions 4 times in a year. Once you pass through, I mean, 60 is the mark out of 100. So we should not be so apprehensive about not passing. If you pass through the exam, naturally you get a certificate, and when holding a certificate, so that in a business card or whatever, you can display it that I am a associate. So I mean, it will be my personal advice would be to not only to buy books and reading for your posterity for reading purpose, but also to appear for the exam. So definitely you will test your own knowledge and then get a certificate from III.
And there is, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's generally whenever we take a subject and we read the subject, and when the examination is conducted 4 times in a year, and the examination fee also is minimal, it's better to go for the examination and take a certification. Thank you for your advice, Satpathy sir. And there is one more question. I passed licentiate in 2013. What is my status on date? Santosh Sindeji.
Sir, your status of licentiate remain as it is, but to acquire the associateship, you require to need 250 credit points instead of 190.
Okay, right. To specialize Venkateshan P. To specialize diploma in life and non-life, where whether we need to write all the licentiate subjects. Yeah, specialized diplomas, there are prerequisites. And I think the entire presentation in there, it was there in that presentation will be sent. Anyhow, I request Santosh Shinde to add on his words.
Yes, for specialized diploma, there is a prerequisites of the candidates who want to go for the specialized diploma in health, fire, marine. They should pass the non-life subject and the licentiate qualifications. Then only they are eligible for the specialized diplomas.
Great, sir. Padmasri, with this licentiate certificate, can we empanel with the insurance providers for submitting the life insurance and health insurance business? Actually, whenever you want to provide a licentiate certificate, fine. But as if you want to work as an advisor in life insurance and health insurance, then you have to get a certificate. You have to get the license, and for license purpose, you have to pass IC38 examination, which is being conducted on behalf of IRDAI by Insurance Institute of India. So even without licentiate also, even with licentiate or fellowship also, if you want to get a business on your name, coding, you want to get a license coded, then you have to go through that IC38 examination.
The licensing exam is not substituting your licensing exam. Licensing exam is different, which is being conducted by AAA on behalf of IRDAI. So there is a separate curriculum for the very basics of insurance is there, which is called IC38 is the subject. So that is a mandatory to get into the agency line of business, advisory business into life, non-life or health. So that licensing is not substituting, rather it is complementing, or it will add more value to being an advisor. If you are simply taking license to sell, but if you are having your license as a fellow, naturally it will have a professional value additions to your career and your growth.
Okay. Sir, because of paucity of time, I am going into certain questions which are there are many common questions. I am leaving those questions. Is there any validity of licentiate and associateship? Do we have to renew it? Santosh ji.
For big two, as sir mentions, for the CFP courses, they have the yearly renewal fees they are charging. For III, we are not charging the yearly renewal fees. Once you paid the 700 rupees and become a registered member, you have become a life member of III. That's the one part. For the examination, yeah, licentiate having the validities. Once you complete your licentiate, you need to complete your associateship within the 5 years time frame. Otherwise, your credit points will get lapsed. Your certification remains same as it is, but credit points gets lapsed. Likewise, for fellowship, if you complete your associateship and if you are not appearing for any fellowship examination, then your 250 credit points remain as it is. But fellowship paper which you appeared will get lapsed if you not complete within the 7 years of time frame.
Okay. There is another question: by becoming an licentiate by associate by fellowship, will I be disqualified to continue insurance advisory license and getting remuneration from existing policy holders? Sir, this question Vasanta Prabhu. See, even if you become licentiate, associate or fellowship, and as long as your license is intact, this licentiate, associate, fellowship examinations has no connection with your license. You can continue your advisory business with holding that license. And these are only supplement, these enhance your knowledge. And when you go to the client, you can talk more with more confidence and with more knowledge. That will help. Your license has nothing to do with either licentiate, associate, and fellow. I think you understood my answer. And there are so many questions are left, but they are mostly in common. So what we do is that if CFP, sir, can you send these questions wherever I have not answered? The questions we will send a reply in mail. Can you send it? I am asking Rajesh. Is it possible for you?
Yes, sir, sure. Why not?
Okay. Sir, now I am closing this question and answer session. And now I request CEO Kishan Mishra sir to talk about your views after entire this today's conference and all. What are your suggestions to your CFP members?
So, thank you so much, Krishna Mohanji. And I think it has been a phenomenal session. Really, very happy to hear about the kind of courses which are being offered. And I did not share with you, but I spent my initial 10 years of career in general insurance sector. So most of my friends are either fellow members or associate of the institute already. So I have known your institute very, very closely for a very good time. So what I wanted to share is that, yes, the program and the membership which is being offered to you as CFP professional is pretty unique in itself, and you will have a very strong opportunity to look forward to not only making a career, but to obviously add more feathers to your cap as a practicing professional too, whether you're doing it now or maybe if you'd like to do it later. But then, yes, it's a highly respected membership of a respected organization. So you should definitely consider the same for your careers. So as I mentioned to you, whether to work in the industry or to practice, both ways, this membership is going to be very, very advantageous to all of you. So please do consider, and then do let us know. We'll be very happy to support you in ensuring that you are able to navigate this journey. Because for us, Insurance Institute of India and FPSB India are part of one family. So whether you are a member of Insurance Institute of India, so you're part of this family, and then vice versa too, wherein a CFP professional is going to become the part of the family of Insurance Institute of India. So we consider ourselves as one, and we look forward to this journey together for the future of this country. Viksit Bharat 2047. Thank you.
Great, sir. Great. Sir, now I request Satpathy sir to have the closing remarks. Because today,
in fact, we welcome all the CAPs to onboard to the membership of III, Insurance of India. In fact, our this next December exam cycle, the registration for paper enrollment, everything will start in month of October. Generally, 2 months prior to the exam cycle, the whole paper enrollment starts. So, but the membership is open throughout the year. Just to understand understand or know about the Insurance of India, you can just go through our portal, which is very well developed portal. You go through the III Insurance of India portal, you come to know many aspects of it, and then register yourself as a member. Hardly 700 rupees is the only fees to be registered as a member. Then once you become a member, you may get not many benefits from people like getting journals, communications, and able to access our library. Many things are there. Then later on, you can begin with, this is my personal advice would be, or suggestion would be, to enroll to the licensed paper, because principles of insurance is one subject which I think as a financial planner you should know what is the principles of insurance. That is the first paper which is common to all the type of insurance, all lines of business. So that is the one paper of the license yet. Once that is through, then maybe the practices part of it you can take up. And one more subject is the regulatory aspect, because now regulatory things are evolving very fast. Regulatory guidelines for the how the insurance company operate, how the products are being manufactured or prepared. So the regulatory aspect also, we should understand that in the insurance domain. So these are the three subjects, I think. Even to begin with a licensate of Insurance of India, that will definitely give a quite overview of the insurance aspect. Thereafter, if you want to specialize into any particular subject, whether actual aspect of it or risk management or a reinsurance portfolio part of it, you can choose the paper. So there is no harm in that. I mean, very affordable, flexible time, as I suggested, you to read the books and appear. So that's will be a good idea to go ahead, because already you are a full-fledged CAP professional. So add one more qualification professional collection to you. Nothing to lose, only to gain only. That's all. Thank you, sir.
thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. And I am very thankful to Satpathy sir, and in spite of his busy schedule, and Kishan Mishra sir to be here and address the gathering. And I am very thankful to all the members who has attended today for this program. And because of paucity of time, I couldn't take all the questions, but we will definitely answer all the questions. And once again, thank you very much for our the people from AAA side who has been in the arranging this meeting, online meeting, and our team are consisting of Santosh Shinde sir, Vrushali, and Irina, and other people, as well as IT teams, which worked together for the smooth running of this program. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.